Number one, you're asked to use the figure to the right to identify each of the following. You would like to identify a pair of parallel segments. Parallel segments you want to look at is with the arrow symbol. So it looks like this segment and this segment. So this segment that it's running across, that looks like that is going to be segment BA, which is going to be parallel to segment that's running right here, DE. Next, you want a pair of skewed segments. Skewed segments are segments that never will touch, okay, because essentially they're in different dimensions, right? So there are several that you can label. So let's say I pick BD. So line BD, and let's see what is skewed to that. So let's see, AC would also work because this one is going, BD is going up and down, AC is like going forward and backwards. Or you can pick, let's say, right here, you can pick DF, and see that go left and right. So we can pick something that never touches that. Oh, like this one, AE. Will also never touch line DF because AE goes up and down, DF goes left and right. Next, you want to have a pair that is perpendicular. Perpendicular is denoted by that square box. The segment that intersects that square box is line BD, segment BD, and which is perpendicular to segment DF. Those are your perpendicular segments. A parallel plane. The parallel plane will have to contain the parallel lines. So BA, so it's plane BAC, and plane DEF.